Hey you guys, thanks so much for clicking on today's video. You guys are gonna come with me for the next 2 days while I get some stuff done. I'm gonna share a little bit of a get ready with me. We're gonna be doing some cleaning, freshening up the house over the next couple of days. So my daughter's been sleeping in my son's old room lately because she misses him so much. That's really our guest room right now, but she's been sleeping in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash the bedding for that bed and jump right into my morning routine. So I always start off my morning with taking my supplement, drinking my Rise mushroom coffee, which I've been drinking for a few months now and loving it. A lot less caffeine than regular coffee, which has helped my overall anxiety, and it has a lot of other health benefits as well. And then I am trying out a new collagen. I will let you guys know how I like it. I'm going to go ahead and do my morning routine, put my skincare on. I just got out of the shower. We're going to get dressed and I'm going to head to church.
The warmth of your skin, just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair, lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone, 'cause with you I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always.
So now that I'm done with church, I wanted to go ahead and start with my Sunday cleaning routine, and that's going to start in my bedroom. We're going to make the bed, put away the clothes, and vacuum. So life is a lot busier for me right now, which I'll go more into in another video as things become more permanent, but I'm going to continue doing what I do here on YouTube. But sometimes life just throws curveballs at you and things change and we evolve. And so with that, I just have to keep a good balance with myself in all aspects of my life, which we'll touch more on that in the future. But right now, we're going to focus on getting as much cleaning done around our house and continue with some stuff the next day.
Here's what I like: laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces, but I'm not backing down.
So now I'm going to get some laundry done. I do have my helper here. Ava volunteered. She has an interest to helping with chores around the house more and more as she gets older. So that's really nice. I feel like she's kind of picking up some of those habits, just watching me clean and take care of the home and everything, which is always a good thing because she'll carry that on into her own home one day. And it'll be easy for her because she's been doing it since she was little. And it is really fun to do it with her because we have fun and laugh and chit chat and all that stuff. So you guys know laundry is not my favorite task to do at all. And so to be able to do it with her always makes it better.
Play my guitar to my fingers and I always try to let my spirit fly away. That's the only way to get that high.
So if you're new here, this is my oldest's old room. We use it as a guest room, but he stayed the night a few weeks ago. And ever since he stayed the night and left, my daughter was missing him. So she wanted to sleep in brother's room and she has been sleeping in there for weeks. I just let her do it. She has her room still. But if this is what makes her feel more comfort right now, missing him, then I'm gonna let her do it. So now it's the next day. It is a Monday and I wanted to get some cleaning done in the downstairs and pick up everything. And I did have a doctor's appointment. I feel like every day lately I've been having stuff I have to do outside the house. So I've been trying to film the cleaning and editing in between those times. If I'm not filming, cleaning's a breeze. But since I'm filming, it takes a little more time.
Club will go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music, energies like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me.
Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and deep clean my microwave. As you can see, it needed a good clean. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a cup of water in the microwave, heat that up so the steam loosens the food, so it's a little bit easier to clean.
It's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it. So come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Can't get enough. It's not a matter, under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah.
So let me know down below what year you started watching my YouTube videos or when you first discovered my channel. I have been filming since the beginning of 2015, so it's been a really long journey, but I have loved having YouTube a big part of my life, and that includes every single one of you. So let me know down below.
Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya.
So we're gonna go ahead and take down Ava's artwork for a few minutes so we can clean the refrigerator. I'm using the stainless steel e-cloth. This one I've had for a long time, so it is starting to not work and do its job. You can tell because the refrigerator and the dishwasher, it just wasn't left that shiny as it once was. And I did use a paper towel instead of the buffer cloth that they do provide, but I often use a paper towel if I don't have that cloth available, like if it's still in the dirty clothes. So it's not just that, it's just the fibers are probably overused in the cloth. So I'm gonna just toss this one out. So I did get back from my doctor's appointment. I also picked up Ava from school, and now we're going to clean my floors and give my floors a little bit of a deeper clean by throwing the chairs up on the table so I can really get in there and vacuum and then steam mop the floors. So I like to use a wet paper towel to go ahead and wipe underneath the refrigerator right there and along the baseboards, just that area where the Dyson doesn't vacuum up the crumbs good. All right, you guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below and say hi. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.